Hello student, I am Pramod sir of your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, in my previous lecture, I have told you that when two lines are cut by a line at the different points, then that line is called transversal line. This is the transversal line. Student, and when two lines cut by a line, or when a line cuts two lines, then 8 angles are created. You have seen already. पहले की क्लास में भी आप इसको देख चुके हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And these angles have the special name. And that special name I have explained in my previous lecture. But student, in this video, we take these two lines are parallel, not any two lines. अब आज हम जो बात करेंगे वो पैरेलल लाइन के केस में बात करेंगे, किसी भी लाइन के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. When a line cuts two parallel line at the distinct point, then what is the relation between the pairs of angles? And the special name of the angles, student, you know already that vertically opposite angle, angles, corresponding angles, alternate, interior angles, alternate exterior angle, exterior angles, and consecutive interior angle. These are some special name of the angles which you have seen in previous video by this diagram, and in this figure all angles are present. So student, if we mention the name of these angles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So student, I am revising here that where is the vertically opposite angles in this figure, in this diagram. इस फिगर में वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल कहां पर है? अगर मैं आपको कहूं सर्च करने के लिए, so student, you can say that sir, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 are also vertically opposite angle. Angle 6 and angle 8 are also vertically opposite angle. Angle 5 and angle 7 vertically opposite angle. I have defined already what is the vertically opposite angle. I will not define here. And second, I have told you also corresponding angles. Where is corresponding angles, student? Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 5 or corresponding angle. Angle 2, angle 6 or corresponding angles. Angle 3, angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So student, you are seeing here that 4 pairs are the corresponding angles. In this way, student, come to the next point, that is the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, you know that angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angle. Angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angle. All these angles come in pairs. ये सभी एंगल जो है पेयर में आते हैं. पेयर मीन्स टू एंगल. आप कभी भी एंगल 4 को ओनली एंगल 4 आर नॉट अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. ऑलवेज बी से रिलेशन of the alternate interior angles in 2 angles. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angle. And exterior angle, alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angle. Angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angle also. So 2 pairs. Next is consecutive interior angle. Consecutive interior angle. Angle 4, angle 5 are consecutive interior angle. Angle 3, angle 6 are also consecutive interior angle. So, student, now we are taking such that 2 lines which are parallel. अब हम ऐसी लाइन लेने जा रहे हैं. अभी तो आप किसी भी लाइन के केस में देखा इसको, ये सभी एंगल्स को. लेकिन व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल इन केस ऑफ द पैरेलल लाइन. पैरेलल लाइन के केस में इन सभी पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल्स जो हैं इनका रिलेशन क्या होता है. सो स्टूडेंट, I am drawing here 2 parallel line. Suppose that, and this is the transversal line. The name of this line is L and name of this line is M and name of this transversal line is P. So, student, I hope you are clear about vertically opposite angle, corresponding angles, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle and consecutive interior angle. Here is all these angles in this diagram. You can search easily, you can tell easily. आसानी से आप बता सकते हो, सर्च कर सकते हो ये एंगल बने कहां हैं. But what is the relation of these pairs of angle in the case of parallel line? In this video we discuss about this. इसके बारे में हम आपको बात करेंगे. So students, firstly we have to know about the parallel line. पहले तो हमको पैरेलल लाइन के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा कि पैरेलल लाइन होता क्या है. स्टूडेंट, टू लाइन्स लाइक L and M are said to be parallel. First condition, if both lines lie in same plane. प्लेन है, एक ही प्लेन में दोनों लाइनें होनी चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड कंडीशन विल बी इफ बोथ लाइन डोंट मीट, हाउएवर फॉर दे आर एक्सटेंडेड. अगर ये दोनों लाइनें कभी भी कहीं भी आपस में ना मिले, एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट ना करें, हाउएवर फॉर दे आर एक्सटेंडेड, कितना भी इनको हम एक्सटेंड करें, आगे पीछे कितना भी इनको हम बढ़ा दें इनको हम, तो ये एक दूसरे को एक्सटेंड ना करें. सो these lines, these two lines are parallel. ये दोनों लाइन जो होंगी ये पैरेलल होंगी. बट इन विच कंडीशन, स्टूडेंट थिंक इन योर माइंड, इन विच कंडीशन these two lines are not intersect to each other. After extending these lines, इन लाइन को बढ़ाने के बाद ये किस कंडीशन में एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगी? This is only one condition will be created here. If the distance between these two lines everywhere are same. अगर इनकी डिस्टेंस, इन दोनों लाइनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस सभी जगह सेम है, इक्वल है, तो ये एक दूसरे को कभी भी एक्सटेंड करने पर इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द पैरेलल लाइन वेरी वेल. सो स्टूडेंट, कम टू योर पॉइंट, दैट इज student, firstly we remark these angles in this diagram. So firstly student, vertically opposite angles. So where is vertically opposite angles in this diagram? Student, firstly we mention the name of all angles in numbers. Angle, this is angle, this angle is created, angle, and angle. Suppose that the name of this angle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now search the vertically opposite angle in this diagram. So student, you can say easily that, sir, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle, pair of vertically opposite angles. ये vertically opposite angle के pairs हैं. And what is the relation between these two angles? Student, यही तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं. What is the relation द पेयर्स ऑफ दीज एंगल्स, ऑल दीज एंगल्स, ये सभी एंगल ऑलवेज कम्स इन पेयर्स, हमेशा तो पेयर में आते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज एंगल्स? स्टूडेंट, आई हैव टोल्ड यू in my previous video that vertically opposite angles always will be equal, हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. इट मीन्स एंगल 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. Like this, as same angle 5 at this point, see, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 6 is equal to angle 8. These are vertically opposite angles. So come to the next point, corresponding angles. Student, now be careful from here, corresponding angles. Student, when a lines cut such that two lines which are parallels, then corresponding angles are equal. This is the important point. A line cuts such that two lines which are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. And in other words, you can say, if a transversal line cuts such that two lines which are parallel at the distinct point, then corresponding angles are equal. It means अगर ये दो लाइन पैरेलल हैं, सो एंगल 1 is equal to angle 5, because angle 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. ये इक्वल क्यों हुए? Because these two lines with a transversal line is cuts are parallel. ये दोनों लाइन जिसको ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन कट कर रही है इस आर पैरेलल हैं, ये पैरेलल हैं, इसलिए corresponding angles are equal. But if we takes any two lines like this and this is transversal line, then can you say that in this diagram corresponding angles are equal? No student, only in the case of parallel lines you can say that corresponding angles are equal. So student, learn in your mind this point. And third is alternate interior angles. Student, when a transversal line cuts such that two lines which are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. It means alternate interior angle. Which are alternate interior angle? Angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 जो होगा वो angle 6 के equal होगा. क्यों होगा? Because ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन जो है ऐसी लाइन को डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है जो कि पैरेलल है. These lines are parallel and this is a transversal line or intersecting at the two distinct points. So alternate interior angle will be equal. ये लर्न करने का पॉइंट है. अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल जो है इक्वल होंगे. स्टूडेंट, पॉइंट नंबर 4 are not given in your syllabus. So I am deleting this. Next is consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. Consecutive means क्या होता है? Continue, लगातार. तो consecutive interior angles which are angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6. Listen me carefully. When a transversal line cuts such that two lines which are parallel, then the sum of consecutive interior angles are supplementary. What means? It means angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to supplementary 180 degree. This is the meaning of the statement. When a transversal line cuts such that two lines which are parallel, then the sum of pair of consecutive interior angles are supplementary 180 degree. So it means angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree also, because angle 3 and angle 6 are also the consecutive interior angles. So student, listen me carefully. It means if two lines are intersected by a transversal line, then if two parallel lines, listen me carefully, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line, then corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. And the sum of consecutive interior angles will be 180 डिग्री. अगर दो पैरेलल लाइन को कोई ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन दो डिफरेंट पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, देन इट्स श्योर दैट करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल, and sum of consecutive interior angles will be supplementary. And in opposite way, student, you can say that if two lines are cut by a transversal line and corresponding angles are equal, then that two lines will be parallel. अपोजिट मैंने बोल दिया, अपोजिट वे में आपको बोलना है. आपको एंगल भी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आ सकता है और आपको पैरेलल लाइन प्रूव करने के लिए भी आ सकता है क्वेश्चन में, एग्जाम में. सो लिसन मी केयरफुली. If two lines are intersected by a transversal line at the distinct point and corresponding angles are equal, if the given in question, then both line will be parallel. Sure, ये दोनों लाइन आपस में पैरेलल होंगी. And alternate interior angles if are equal, then both lines will be parallel also, and the sum of consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then both lines will be parallel. So student, in both case you can say that if both lines are parallel and both lines are intersected by a transversal line, then corresponding angles equal, alternate interior angles equal, consecutive interior angle का sum 180 डिग्री होगा. In opposite way, if the two lines, I am not saying the name of that two lines which are parallel or not, वे दोनों पैरेलल हैं कि नहीं है इसकी बात मैं नहीं कर रहा हूं आपसे. आई एम सेइंग ओनली टू लाइंस. इफ टू लाइंस अपोजिट वे में सुनिए, इफ टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्टेड, अब वे दोनों लाइन कैसी हो सकती हैं ये नहीं पता है, बट इफ टू लाइंस आर इंटरसेक्टेड बाय अ ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन एट द डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट and corresponding angles are equal, then both line will be parallel. तो ये दोनों लाइन क्या होंगी? पैरेलल होंगी. ये दोनों लाइन कैसी होंगी? पैरेलल होंगी. And in case of alternate interior angle, if two lines intersected by a transversal line at the distinct point and alternate interior angles are equal, then both lines will be parallel. That both lines will be parallel. And sum of consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then also both lines will be parallel. So student, I hope you have understood these pairs of angle in the case of parallel line. So student, here I am taking only one example on depend these topics. Student, बस 2 मिनट में लेकर के आपको हम इसको समझा रहे हैं. 2 मिनट्स में आप समझ जाइएगा. Student, examples are, these are two lines. The name of this line is L and M, and this is a transversal line. Name of this line is T, and this angle is given 110 degree, 110 degree, and this is x degree, x di. And question is saying that line L and M are parallel. ये line L and M are parallel. It's given in the question. And T is a transversal line. You know, transversal line. ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है और ये L और M जो है पैरेलल है. सो स्टूडेंट, यू नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. x का वैल्यू आपको बताना है कि x का वैल्यू क्या होगा. सो स्टूडेंट, फॉर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x, you know that if a transversal line cuts such that two lines which are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, the sum of the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, you know. So student, this is x और ये जो एंगल यहां बना हुआ है, see this angle and this angle, you know very well that these two angles are consecutive interior angles. And this angle, what is the relation between this angle and this angle? इस एंगल और इस एंगल के बीच में रिलेशन क्या है? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. When two lines intersect to each other at a common point, then vertically opposite angles are created. Vertically opposite angle of this is this, and vertically opposite angle of this is this. इसका ये है और इसका ये है. So this is a line, suppose that, and this line is intersect this line. So vertically opposite angles are created here. So you can say, and you know about the property, according to property of the vertically opposite angle, you can say that, sir, this is 110 degree, so this angle will be also 110 degree. Why? Because both are vertically opposite angle. दोनों कैसे हैं? Vertically opposite angle हैं. And if this is 110 degree and this is x degree, then what is the relation between these angles, this angle and this angle? Consecutive interior angle. So you can say that angle x plus angle 110 degree is equal to or supplementary 180 degree. So student, by transposing method, you will able to find the value of x here. Angle x transpose the 110 degree to the right side is equal to 180 degree is already written to the right side. So we write the first 180 degree first, and we need to transpose 110 degree to the right side. So we subtract, we change the operation here, minus 110 degree student. So when we subtract 180 degree minus 110 degree student, then 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 1, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. It means 70 degree. So you get 70 degree. The value of x is equal to angle x जो होगा, that is 70 degree. It means this is the 70 degree. This is my answer. So student, in this question, I have applied only one terms of the कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सिर्फ एक ही टर्म्स को मैं अप्लाई किया हूं, कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल्स, एंड सेकेंड जो अप्लाई किया हूं वो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, पेयर ऑफ वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स को. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ टू टर्म्स वी आर एबल टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स हियर स्टूडेंट. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड this question. So in next video we start your exercise 5.1. So thank you student, thank you very much.